Hi guys, now I am telling direction based questions. In this type of questions, direction of a point with respect to another point is to be ascertained. We know that in this concept we have two types of directions. One is prime direction and second one is subdirections. These are the prime direction, north, east, we have four types of subdirections: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. The direction of an object is measured with respect to starting point or the directional relations between 2 points or things or persons that are used in the questions. For example, Ashok faces north and takes a right turn at the angle 2700 degrees. In which direction was Ashok facing after the turn? Here, Ashok faces north. He faces north direction. And takes a right turn at the angle 2700 degrees. Means he faces north. Means this is the right. So he takes a right turn at the angle 2700 degrees. In which direction was Ashok facing after the turn? Since Ashok completes 360 degrees in a circular turn, 27 equals to 7.5. So he completed 7 complete and half turn. So on covering 7 turn, Ashok will face towards north. Now an half turn will face towards the south direction. So the answer is south. Second question. Point B is 3 meters north of a point A. Point C is 3 meters west of point B. Point D is 5 meters south of point C. Point E is 7 meters east of point D. In which of the following direction is point E with reference to point B? Always try to use direction plans as the reference for all the questions. North, east, southwest, and subdirections: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay, now point B is 3 meters north of a point A. Point B is 3 meters north of a point B. Means this direction. 3 meters. And then point C is 3 meters west of point B. 3 meters west of point B. Point D is 5 meters south of point D is 5 meters south of point C. And then point E 7 meter east of point D. 7 meter east of point D. In which of the following directions is point E with reference of point B? Clearly, we use the subdirections. Point E with the reference of point B means this direction. So this direction is southeast. Clearly, point E is in southeast direction with the reference of point B. So the answer is southeast. A man starts from a point X and walks 5 kilometers southwards. Then he turns left and walks 6 kilometers. In which direction is he from the starting point? First, a man starts from a point X and walks 5 km southwards, means this direction, 5 kilometers. Then he turns left and walks 6 km. Then he turns left and walks 6 kilometers. And okay, in which direction is he from the starting point? This is the starting point and this is the ending point. In which direction is he from the starting point? Subdirections. Northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. What is this direction? So this direction is southeast. Clearly, the man is in south direction from the starting point. So the answer is southeast.